Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best climbing gear is probably one of the most exhilarating and rewarding outdoor activities, offering a unique blend of physical challenge and mental focus. Whether you're a seasoned climber or a complete beginner, choosing the right gear is crucial for safety and enjoyment. In this video, we'll dive into the essential equipment you need to conquer any climb, from ropes and harnesses to carabiners and belay devices. Number 5. Jungle Gym Kingdom Swing Set with Trapeze Bar. Looking for a fun way to get your kids active? This trapeze bar is the perfect addition to any backyard playground. It's designed to bring endless fun to your children. Setting up this swing set is a breeze. It comes fully assembled with rings, chains, and carabiners. You'll have it ready for play in no time. Take your outdoor play area to the next level with this exciting accessory. It's a great way to encourage kids to spend more time outside and have fun. We know safety is a top priority for parents. This swing set accessory is designed with sturdy construction and secure attachments, making it a parent favorite. Make active outdoor play a daily routine. This swing set upgrade provides a fun and engaging way for kids to exercise and enjoy the outdoors. What we like. This trapeze swing bar is a fantastic addition to any backyard playground. It's incredibly easy to set up, so you can quickly get the fun started. If you're looking to encourage active play and develop upper body strength, this is a great choice. What people say. Great size for kids of different sizes and ages, and good quality. Very well made. Great quality. Heavy duty, well made. Number 4. Easy Peezy Climber with Top, Fun Play Set. Introducing the Easy Peezy Climber. It's designed to provide your little one with endless hours of active play. This climbing tower is a backyard favorite for toddlers. This climber is perfect for children aged 3 and up. It's a great way for them to stay active and have fun outdoors. Made with interlocking plastic tubes and connectors, this climber is tough and durable. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to assemble. Crafted from high-quality plastic with UV protection, it's built to last. It can withstand countless hours of outdoor play in the sun. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, it's lightweight and easy to assemble. You can move it around for your child to enjoy in any weather. The Easy Peezy Climber comes with everything you need for assembly. It has assembled dimensions of 70.07 by 65.53 by 46.65 inches, weighs 27 pounds, and can hold up to 150 pounds. Please note that anchors are not included. What we like. This climbing tower is designed for endless hours of fun, perfect for kids aged 3 to 6. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand energetic play, and its portable design means you can move it around with ease. If you have limited space or want something that can be used both indoors and outdoors, this is a great option. What people say. It was frustrating to try and find any tips and tricks on assembly. I used the disassembly tool, which definitely does the job by pushing the pins back down so you can pull the tube back off. Once it's lined up, the pins will easily depress and the tube will release from the joiner. Number 3. Lifetime Earthtone Geometric Dome Climber. This is the Lifetime Geometric Dome Climber. It's designed for kids aged 3 to 10. It provides a fun and safe climbing experience for children. The climber has assembled dimensions of 5 feet high and 10 feet wide. It's a great size for backyard fun, offering plenty of space for multiple children to play at once. This climber is built to last, with a weight capacity of 600 pounds. It's sturdy enough to withstand the energetic play of multiple children. The climber is UV resistant, which means it retains its strength and maintains its color even when exposed to the sun. This ensures it will look great for years to come. It includes high-density polyethylene rock climbing hand grips to help kids climb and descend safely. These grips provide a secure and comfortable hold for little hands. This climber requires low maintenance, with no staining or painting needed. This makes it a hassle-free addition to your backyard, allowing you to spend more time enjoying it. What we like. This geometric dome climber is built to last, with UV-resistant materials that maintain their strength and color. It's designed for children aged 3 to 10 and can hold up to 600 pounds, making it a safe and durable choice. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting climbing structure, this is a great investment. What people say. 5 stars for ease of setup and utility the kids are getting out of it. The product is very sturdy and the powder coating is pretty good. It is very sturdy and low maintenance. Number 2. PLAYVIBE 40 Saucer Swing. This swing is a great gift that provides fun during every season. You can set it up indoors during colder months, then move it outside when the weather warms up. It's designed to move with your family throughout the year. With its expansive 40-inch diameter, this swing provides ample room for cooperative play. It fosters social interaction and cognitive development. The colorful, soft fabric surface provides comfort and durability. Supported by a steel frame, sturdy ropes, and heavy-duty stitching, this swing is built to last. It's great for daily use on swing sets, tree branches, or reinforced indoor spaces. It is a safe and durable choice. Easily change the swing height to fit your space. It's ideal for tall outdoor trees or lower indoor ceilings. The adjustable ropes help create a just-right swing setup for kids of different ages. It comes with reinforced hanging straps and galvanized carabiners for quick outdoor installation. It's a versatile choice for backyards, playrooms, or garage play areas. This swing offers kids a bright and engaging place to move and play. What we like. This saucer swing offers a spacious 40-inch seat, perfect for shared play. With a robust 440 pounds capacity, it's built to last and can accommodate both kids and adults. If you like the idea of a versatile swing that can be used indoors or outdoors and adjusted to fit your space, this is a great choice. What people say. Quality materials. Easy to assemble with 2 people. We hung it from a tree. Great for adults, toddlers, and in between. Relaxing and sturdy. This product is sturdy and worked well. You can adjust the height and unclip when not using to store inside. Number 1. Jungle Gym Kingdom Rock Climbing Holds Kit. Setting up this kit is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, including an instruction guide, nuts, bolts, and washers. You'll have it ready for climbing in no time. This set includes 25 rock climbing wall handles in various shapes and colors. They come in blue, green, red, yellow, and orange. This variety makes climbing more fun. Made with durable plastic, this product is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's built to withstand different weather conditions. You can be sure it will last. The kit also includes an 8 feet long climbing rope. Add it to any climbing wall or treehouse. This will definitely ramp up playtime. Looking for a fun activity? This set encourages both indoor and outdoor play. It promotes movement and is sure to be a hit with the kids. What we like. This rock climbing kit is easy to install, making it a breeze to set up. The set includes 25 colorful handles and a climbing rope, encouraging fun and active play. If you are looking to add a challenging and engaging activity to your child's playtime, this is a great choice. What people say. This product came exactly as described, vibrant colors, all of the pieces were in the package, easy to install, and of good quality. These were well-made. Manufacturer recommended putting them on plywood, but I decided to use an old oak tree so that my grandkids could climb up the old oak tree into the tree fort, which has worked perfectly. And then safety road is great because I installed it above and I'll put it down the side of the plastic rock climbers way if they need help or just want to use the road to get on up or down. Really nice set. Kids love it. Installed on 9mm marine ply outdoors under shade nearly a year ago, still looks new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.